What's going on, everybody? My name is Brandon. I'm a marine biologist and an artist, and welcome to Nature Meets Paper, the place where we go on an adventure to discover the world of marine biology. I love sharing my passion of the ocean and its creatures with you through art. If you are new here, welcome. This place is for anyone and everyone who loves adventure, discoveries, or connecting with nature. If you're returning, thank you so much for coming back. It is great to see you. So this is a special episode of Nature Meets Paper. This is Season 3 finale. In Season 4, I'm going to try and bring it back to my home state of Washington State. I'm going to try and get more animals from my area. I know Season 3 seemed like it was a lot of Hawaii. I mean, I love Hawaii. I love the creatures there, but it just seemed like there was a lot of Hawaii fish and animals there. I'm just going to bring it back home. See some of the animals that are in my neck of the woods. Since today is the finale, I've wanted to do a piece that was kind of funny. In Season 1 and Season 2, I finished off with the green sea turtle. And so as a joke, I did this green sea turtle. But it actually turned out that I really like this piece. It might be one of my favorites now. I really like the colors. This is a juvenile green sea turtle. Now, I have done information on this in the past. So I'm not going to write a script for it. I'm just going to have music and it's going to be put together. I hope you enjoy this format. Let's get started. Thank you so much for watching. It means so much that you take time out of your schedule to discover something new. Thank you so much for helping me this season, supporting me. It's really nice that you can show your support here on this platform with just somebody who's learning how to do this, and thank you for your patience as we go on this journey together. If I deserve it, click subscribe and ding that notification bell. This will allow you to know when I post new videos. So like I said in the intro, I'm going to be back in middle of September. That gives me time to organize my thoughts, organize what I've seen. Well, I haven't seen them yet, so that's the funny part. I have no idea what I'm going to see or what I'm going to teach about because I haven't seen it yet. I sell my art in the forms of originals and prints. Just send me an email if you're interested. Follow my social media so that you can keep in touch. Basically, other than that, I have a Teespring page where I make merchandise. I will try my best to make more content for that if you're interested. And also check out my Patreon. Patreon is a platform where you can pay per month, so it's like a monthly subscription where you can get exclusive content that you can't get here on YouTube. Now, I'm using the same footage, it's just going to be a little bit longer videos. It's going to be similar to today's finale where I do an intro and then we roll into the painting, and it's going to be a little longer painting, slow down a little bit, and it's just going to be put to music. But I hope you enjoy. I've been Brandon, and I'll see you in our next adventure.